Hey guys, and welcome back to another video with the Fiat Bravo. So guys, in the last video I replaced the engine oil, I replaced the oil filter, I replaced the air filter. So now guys, it's time to change also the pollen filter. So guys, I always like to do these simple videos because sometimes for you and for me, things that look like it's simple, for some people could be, a plus. So guys, it won't cost me anything to do just a video for this. It's something that I always do. I always show a video replacing a pollen filter because many people look for that. So guys, let's replace this pollen filter really easy. It's a really quick video of course, but I always like to show a video with this in every car I restore. So guys, let's go. So guys, first thing, where is located the pollen filter? It's under this thing. This you need to remove this rubber. Jesus. And then you have two screws, one over here, another one over here, and you just need to remove the screws and open this box over here. So guys, let's go. So guys, as you can see, every time I pick up a car, this filter, it's always like this, you know. This filter, it's here for a long time. So guys, this filter, this don't make any sense. I will show you closer. So guys, this is the reason that I always like to do this kind of videos. It's simple things, but many people don't know. So guys, if you have a chance, give it a clean in the box and install the new air filter. Another important thing, don't forget the airflow. This always should be like this, down. The air should go down. So guys, let's install the new one, okay? So guys, as you can see, sometimes the simple things, many people don't do it or even don't know how to do it, because actually this filter was free for me because it was the previous owner that gave me, because he already bought but he never replaced. Maybe he didn't even know where it's located, you know. So guys, that is the reason that I like to do always this kind of simple videos. Guys, this is a really cheap filter and makes a huge difference to your health. So guys, thanks for watching, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.